there, this is your CT Style Express, and I'm Teresa Dufour. So after spending months in quarantine, it might be time to consider some refreshing. Here with some suggestions from Face It Med Spa in West Hartford is nurse and owner Anita Wolf, along with licensed medical esthetician Jody Kiegler. Ladies, thank you so much for being here. Jody, you are ready for business. Look at you.
I certainly am.
So we're going to be demonstrating on Anita today facial Pilates, but before we get into that, I want to talk about the extra precautions you're taking.
We are using all of COVID recommendations and also our local government. As you can see, Jody is all geared up.
Absolutely. I mean, very protected. And Jody, talk to me about the procedure right now. Facial Pilates is new, and this is exciting.
Yeah, so we're very excited about this procedure. This is third generation microcurrent. So it's an intelligent microcurrent. It actually can sense the density of her skin, thereby making the treatment much more effective. But it also uses sonophoresis, which is a low frequency ultrasound. And it helps all the goodies, the face candy, I like to call it. Peptides, growth factors get very deep into the skin. And then iontophoresis. And that also allows the product to dry very deep into the dermal layers of the skin.
And what are the benefits of all this?
So when you're dealing with pigmentation, you're able to address pigmentation a lot more effectively. When you're dealing with laxity in the skin, it tightens the skin, firms, and lifts it. And when you're dealing with just overall aging, it's able to regenerate the skin a lot quicker. When you're dealing with acne and you're using sonophoresis and iontophoresis, the products that we use, the vitamins, are much more effective.
Sure. Anita, what does this feel like?
It feels like a vibration. That's all I'm feeling. Very comfortable.
And how many treatments or how often should we be doing this? This can be done monthly. So in the beginning, it's nice to have it actually twice a week for 4 weeks, and then monthly. Not everybody can do that, so you can come monthly for the treatment.
And who would benefit from this?
Any skin condition. So when you're dealing with acne, pigmentation, aging, laxity, sun damage, dry skin, sensitive skin, any skin condition can benefit from this treatment.
And this is just one of the many procedures that you offer at Face It in West Hartford. Can you run me through some of the others?
Oh, certainly. So we have collagen induction therapy, which is light microneedling that we do here. We also do heavier needling with the Secret RF with radio frequency. We have lots of different medical facials that we offer. We have wonderful laser treatments to address different issues, from acne scarring, from sun damage, aging. Any issue that you have, we can address.
Sure. And it's a really beautiful environment. I mean, it's glamorous when you walk in. And I know some things are a little bit different. You're not having anyone in the waiting room. You're taking people in one at a time. Talk to me a little bit about that.
Sure. So we do have enough time between each client that they're not bumping into each other. They go out, they come in the front, they go out the back. So there is that space between each client. The waiting room is closed. So once the client comes in and we screen the client properly, they're escorted to their room.
Taking temperatures?
Temperature is taken upon coming in. The hands are sterilized. They have a mask on, and then they can go to the room.
And I might add that the rooms get sterilized after each client as well.
And how are you feeling, Anita? I mean, it looks very relaxing.
It's very relaxing, Teresa. Very relaxing.
Terrific. All right, so if we want to learn more, we'll go to faceitct.com, sign up for our facial Pilates and any of the other offerings that you guys have. The best place just to go online or give you guys a call?
Yes, please do, or you can give us a call at 860-206-9552.
Well, Anita, thank you for sharing this experience with us. This has been great. At least we see how it's all coming together.
Thanks so much, Teresa. It was great being here again. Have a good day.
We'll see you soon.
Stay well.